Welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to create group chat on the TikTok. So this is the new feature. Now you can create your groups on the TikTok, but how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the TikTok. Once you will do it, here you will see update option. Simply click on the update to update your TikTok mobile application. Once you will do it, after that go back and open your TikTok mobile application, log into your account. On the bottom you will see a menu. Here you will see inbox on the second last, just click on it. On the right top you will see message option, click on it. And once you will do it, here you will see invite friends to join a group chat. Simply click on it and here you can create a new group. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.